Hey everybody, this is Sonia Jones with GIP Financials, where we position your financials to live the life that you desire. I'm here to give you 3 tips on selecting accounting software for your business. First of all, I want to thank everybody for their support. Right now, I have about five clients, and as I've been working with my clients, I noticed that they've for the most part have been selecting software based off of a couple of reasons. One, from I don't want to deal with my finances. Two, they have more specific reasons. So I felt like it was my responsibility to try to create a video to inform businesses, and even if you want to use software for your personal use, 3 tips or 3 questions I would consider for you if you're planning to purchase any type of accounting software. So the first thing I would suggest that you think about is who will be using your software, who will have access to it. If you are a business, 9 times out of 10, you will have access to it. Your bookkeeper will have access to it. If you're a nonprofit, it will be more likely the executive director, the CFO, and the board treasurer. If you're an individual, if you're married, probably you and your spouse, depending on who's the CFO in your home. So it really just depends, or if you want to use it for your parents' sake, if they're a little older and you're managing their affairs. So be thinking about that. Who's going to use your software? Who's going to have access to it? Because that will lead to the next question. Are you going to purchase your software with the desktop version or online? Which version of the software are you going to purchase? There are a couple of pros and cons with each. And I'm speaking now from a QuickBooks perspective, because QuickBooks offers desktop versions of their software as well as online. If you're purchasing a desktop software, keep in mind you're only purchasing for one device. You can't, take that software like we used to do with Microsoft Office back in the day and take that product keyboard and whip it all around the whole office. You can't do that with QuickBooks, unfortunately. Just one piece of software, per device, or if you have to buy, additional licenses for each device that's going to be using the software. And also, if you're purchasing the desktop software, please keep in mind that you're definitely going to have some type of online or cloud backup of your company file, because God forbid if something happens to your device and you have to reformat and clean out your entire hard drive, guess what's going to go with it? Your QuickBooks file. So if you're going to do all of that, I would suggest that you just go ahead and get the online version, because this will also give you the ability to work with people remotely that may not be in the same area where you are. And if memory serves me correctly, I got 3 of my 5 clients who are not, actually 4 of my 5 clients are not in Memphis. So with that being said, all of them have QuickBooks Online for obvious reasons. And like I said, too, from a security standpoint, it's just easier. It's just easier to manage. Okay. And depending on the version of QuickBooks or the online software that you have, you can also manage not only the number of users, but the level of access that each user will have. So it gives you, like I said, better security access. And then the last question is, what's your why? Every business has different reasons for purchasing accounting software. And some people just need it for the basics, just to record your deposits, to record your payments to your vendors, and just check every month kind of where you are in your position. Nonprofits, I'll say about 90% of them, if they are pursuing grants, those grant foundations want to see budgets, and they want to see track records of your financial history. So budgets are going to be critical. And in that case, then the QuickBooks Online version, the basic one that has the budgeting feature will be QuickBooks Online Plus. To say if your business needs payroll, QuickBooks has many different uses. They also have a payroll feature. Or what if your business, you're doing sales or your service based and you need to send out invoicing? Some software, even if you don't choose QuickBooks, may not offer those additional features. So you have to kind of think long term with their accounting software, because what you don't want to do is have to continue to update and upgrade your software. Try to go ahead and invest in the one that's going to, take you as far as you need to go for the sake of your business. Okay? So those are my 3 questions. Who will have access to it? How many users will you have? Do you need the desktop version or the online version? Or what is your why? Okay? And if you need additional assistance, you can always go to my website, www.gipfinancials, that's plural with an S.com. I do offer a QuickBooks setup for a one-time fee of $100. You get 2 hours of my time to help you set up your QuickBooks. If you need monthly bookkeeping services, I also offer those as well. All the information is on the website. I'm not going to go into it right now, but I hope this information helps you. And again, if you need to reach out to me, you can also send me an email. That's info, INFO, at gipfinancials.com. Okay? So thank you for your time. Take care, you guys, and get in position.